Stop what you are doing and look at your hands. In less than 3 years, the work those hands do might be completely worthless. You aren't just watching a video, you are witnessing the funeral of the modern career. By the time this sentence ends, another algorithm has just learned how to do your job better, faster, and for free. We were promised a future where robots did the dirty work, but instead, they're coming for your office, your creativity, and your mortgage. Welcome to Prime Progress. Today, we aren't just talking about trends. We are exposing the 5 industries that are about to be deleted from existence. And if you think your degree will save you, you've already lost. Number 5. The death of the call center. Imagine a bot that sounds more human than your best friend. It knows your name, your history, and your mood. It can handle 1 million customers at the exact same second. Why would a CEO ever hire a human again? The era of press 1 for support is over. The machines have taken the mic. Number 4. The Wall Street wipeout. If your job depends on a spreadsheet, your job depends on a lie. AI can now predict market crashes and audit entire corporations in the time it takes you to sip your coffee. No human can compete with 100% accuracy. The question isn't if you'll be replaced, it's when. Number 3. The creative collapse. Every article you read, every script you hear, how do you know a human wrote it? You don't. AI is now winning writing competitions and passing bar exams. The average writer is already a ghost. Only the masters will survive the noise. Number 2. The end of design. From logos to movie posters, what used to take a team of artists months now takes an AI model 4.2 seconds. We are entering a world where anyone can create anything, but no one can get paid for it. The digital canvas has been hijacked. And finally, number 1. Junior software developers and coders. Yes, the very people who built the AI are being devoured by it. Why write code when you can just describe it? The entry-level ladder is being burned down, leaving millions of graduates in the dark. The world is splitting into 2 groups, those who are replaced by AI and those who lead it. Which one will you be? If you want the blueprint to survive this transition and stay ahead of 99% of the population, you need to be here. Join the elite. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for Prime Progress. We don't just report the future, we help you own it. Stay Prime, stay ahead. See you in the next breakdown.